So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to get Monopoly Go free rolls. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to get free Monopoly Go free rolls, it's fairly simple. So firstly, all you have to do is just each time you level up your net worth within Monopoly Go will receive multiple free rolls as an award. So as you can see here, that whenever you get to a certain level, like here, level 15, you will get free rolls. So it's just simple to do that. You can just do bank heists or whatsoever to build such things. So first here, like you can see, then my buildings here in New York City, I have to upgrade them to max level to get to level 15 so that I can get the free roll. So let's just do some free rolls right here. So let's try to get something good. So as you can see here that we are just playing around until we get the bank heist. So the bank heist can actually get you 3,200 Monopoly bucks, whatever you call it. And there you go. So as you can see, we're just gonna roll until we get one. So we just got a shield right there. Pretty handy. So we got another shield, but we already have 3 shields which are already in use. So let's try to get that bank heist right there. So let's just wait for it. I'm not getting any luck, you guys. So as you can see here, that we're just gonna play around until we get that. So that's just how you actually get free rolls in Monopoly Go, by leveling up into a certain prestige level. Oh, there you go. We got 80 bucks. So let's roll some more. Got 200 more. I'm not getting luck, you guys. So let's try to get that bank heist, and there we go. So here in the bank heist, we're gonna try to get some money. Oh, we didn't get the bank heist. We got the destroying thing. Not sure what you call it, but there you go. And we have 1,720. So there you go. So we can head on to build, and let's just press this right there. And there you go. As you can see, it will level your account up. You see, I'm already level 11. So it's fairly simple to do that. Just by doing bank heist, you can get free Monopoly rolls. So that's just basically how you get the free Monopoly rolls. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.